Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with a tutorial on this glamour makeup look. I have teamed up these purple glittery eyes with their nude pink lips. You can always go for your favorite shade as per your liking or your attire for the day. If you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. This is my bare face with no makeup on. Today I am gonna prep my skin with L'Oreal Skin Illuminator. It is a tinted moisturizer with SPF 20. So it will help my skin to have some sun protection as well as it will help my makeup to be stayed on my skin for a longer period of time. It gives my skin an instant healthy glow and adds some luminous feel to it. Now I am going to apply Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. This foundation has a medium to high coverage. As I have oily combination skin, it is one of my favorite foundations. It stays on my skin for quite a long time and doesn't feel oily or greasy on my skin. Here I am using a flat kabuki brush, buffing my foundation into the skin. Always make sure that the foundation shade should be a perfect match to your skin tone. I also apply my foundation on my eyelids as my eyeshadow base. It will even out my skin on that particular area. We should never forget applying the foundation on the neck area also. It should be applied on the face and the neck area evenly. As I have few acne scars on my cheeks and some darkness around my mouth, I wanted to reapply my foundation on these particular places to have a flawless, healthy looking skin. You can always go for your places of concern with the second layer of foundation, but don't go overboard with it as it may look cakey on your face. To fix the eyeshadow base, a setting powder should be applied on all over the eyelids. Now it's time for doing the eye makeup. So let's zoom in a bit. I'm using the purple eyeshadow from this Lakme 925 eyeshadow portrait in the shade Tanjore Rush and applying it to all over the eyelid. I'm not going much over the crease area, and this time I'm using the base shadow brush from Real Techniques. I love this brush. After depositing the color, you can also blend the eyeshadow with this brush. I will do the same with the other eye also, and definitely make sure that you are satisfied with the intensity of the color. Then I am using a clean fluffy blending brush from PAC Cosmetics to blend everything nicely, as nobody wants any harsh line doing the eye makeup. And you know definitely that blending is the key to any makeup. Now to add some glitter in this look, I am using this light lavender shade from Faces Stackable Glitter Eyeshadow. I am applying it on the center of the eyelid only and then blend nicely with the purple eyeshadow. This is very easy to apply and need no glue or adhesive. Just using your finger you can deposit the color and have an excellent color payoff. Now it's time for blending once again to have a wonderful result and check it whether both the eyes look almost similar. When I am satisfied with the look, I am going to apply Lakme Gloss Addict Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black and have a small winged eyeliner look. Make sure you always go for small strokes while applying any eyeliner. Just follow your upper lash line and go for the eyeliner look you want. I am creating a small winged eye look. You can always go for some dramatic winged eye. Practice is all what makes you a pro creating winged eye. Just try to achieve the same with the other eye also. and do the needful to make both the eyes look almost similar to each other. After achieving the desired look, it's time to put some mascara on the upper lashes. You can add as many coats as you want until you are satisfied. Today I am using Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara in their waterproof variant. You can always go for your favorite mascara as you want. I am using it on the other eye also. That's it for now. After finishing the entire face makeup, we would get back to the rest of the eye makeup. For brightening up the under eye area and the center of the face, I am going to use the True Match Concealer from L'Oreal. It's in the shade light to medium. It will also clean up the eyeshadow fallout on the under eye area. It instantly lightens up those particular areas. It brightens up the high points of my face, that are the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, and the cupid's bow. I also applied some of the concealer on my chin area. To fix my base makeup, I am going to powder all over the face. As I have oily skin, I apply it all over my face. But if you have dry skin, then you can skip this step and just powder the places where you have applied the concealer. Today I am using Coty Airspun setting powder. It won't give you any coverage, but it is only for setting the makeup. To warm up the look, I am going to use a bronzer from the brand The Balm. It will give my face some definition instead of having a flat matte look. I am applying it on the outer areas of my face to create a shadow. It will give my face a slimmer look. For bronzing, today I am using the contour brush from the brand Real Techniques. Now I am going to use a pink blush from L'Oreal in the shade Fuchsia Flush on the apples of my cheek. It gives a natural flush of color, and I am using here a stippling brush from Real Techniques. Now it's time for highlighting the high points of my face, and today I am going to use the Rose Glow palette from Revlon. Here I am using a flat brush from Real Techniques. I am applying it on the top of my cheekbones, under my brow bone area, and some over my brow bone area, and on my bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose, and then the cupid's bow, and lastly some on my chin. Now it's time for completing the rest of my eye makeup. Now I am using the same purple eyeshadow I have used earlier on the lower lash line. Then I use the glitter on the inner corners of my eyes. That will definitely make my eyes stand out. And here I am using a pencil brush from the brand Pack Cosmetics. I just wanted to add some more, so here I did it. And lastly, I went on with the mascara on my lower lashes. Now I have come to the last part of this makeup look, that is the lips. I have applied L'Oreal Glam Shine Balmy Gloss in the shade Pomegranate Punch. But I was not at all satisfied with the result. So I applied Maybelline Color Show lipstick in the shade Crushed Candy on top of it. I just wanted to have a toned down, a nude kind of lip with this eye makeup. So here is the finished look. Hope you all like the combo of the eye look and the lips, and I loved it, so I created this one. So here is my complete look with my bindi and my jewelry on. So if you like me or my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So stay happy and stay blessed.